Hi, this video will provide you some examples on how to calculate average productivities, marginal productivities, and total product. So here's what I call like a sudoku for filling in these average product, marginal product, and total products, given you have various amounts of labor, 0, 1, 2, or 3. So let's see if you can fill in these blanks. Pause the video now and see if you can fill in each of the blanks before I go over the answers. Have you paused it? Here we go. Let's go over the answers. First, you have one worker. What's the total productivity? Well, your average productivity is 80. So one worker, their average is 80, their total is going to be 80. So that's the total product right there. And if you have a total output of 80, what's the marginal product of your first worker? Well, how did output change? It went up by 80. From here to here, that's an increase in 80. So there's your marginal productivity of the first worker. Okay, pause it now if you haven't paused it yet, and fill in these two blanks. Okay, so hopefully you paused your video, and now we're back. What's the average productivity right here of our second worker? Well, your total output's 150. You've got two workers, so take your 150 and divide by 2. That will give you your average of 75. What's your marginal productivity here? Well, how did your output change? Your output was 80 when you had one worker. It's 150 when you have two workers. That is an increase, folks, of 70 units. That's your marginal product is 70. Finally, pause your video one more time and see if you can fill in these two blanks to see if you're an expert economist. Okay, welcome back. If you just paused it, your marginal productivity is 60. So that means your output increased by 60. When you had two workers, you had 150 units of output. When you have three workers, your third worker gets you 60 more. So that 150 increases by 60 to get you a 210. That's your total, 210. What's your average productivity? 3 workers, making a total of 210. We'll just divide that by 3, or an average of 70. That's each of the blanks filled in. Hopefully you did that on your own and pause the video. Take care.